Alright, let's talk about chemical characteristics of wastewater, and the subject we are talking about is obviously wastewater engineering. So let's go to question number 1, which is asking us fresh sewage is fill in the blank in nature, and with the passage of time it becomes fill in the blank. See, when sewage is fresh, initially it is always alkaline. Okay, it is always alkaline, and as the time passes, as passage of time takes place, it will render acidic because of action of bacteria or simply putrefaction of the waste content, organic content which is present inside the wastewater, or simply decay, decomposition of or oxidation of organic content. Okay, because of which the wastewater, when it turns stale, it turns acidic. When it is fresh, it is alkaline. Option A should be the one we should go with. Then nitrogen is present in the wastewater in the form of, is it free ammonia, is it organic nitrogen, albuminoid, nitrites or nitrates? Yes, nitrogen is present in wastewater in all the mentioned forms in the options. We will go with all of the above. See, the ammonia nitrogen is simply the free ammonia. Okay, then organic nitrogen, or which is also known as Jelthal nitrogen, because it is determined by Jelthal method, we call the organic nitrogen as Jelthal or total Jelthal nitrogen. Then there is albuminide nitrogen, whose presence indicates under decomposed nitrogen in wastewater. Then we have nitrites. It indicates partly decomposed organic matter present in the wastewater, and nitrates, which indicate fully decomposed or simply oxidized organic matter. Okay, thereby nitrogen is present in all these formats in the wastewater. Standard question, always remember, to have sustenance of aquatic life in water, we should have the minimum DO level controlled at minimum 4 ppm. Remember, 4 ppm should be the DO amount, so that the fish or the aquatic flora and fauna can sustain in the water only when the DO level are maintained at least 4 ppm. Okay, then fill in the blank is the main product is the main byproduct of anaerobic decomposition of organic matter present in wastewater. See, answer is standard, methane. Methane is the very obvious byproduct of anaerobic decomposition of organic matter present in wastewater. Okay, methane or simply CH4. Okay, this gas, it is present in gaseous state. All right, let's go to question number next, which is organic ammonia present in the water, simply wastewater, is determined by Jelthal method. Okay, and this organic nitrogen or organic ammonia is also called as total Jelthal nitrogen, which is the method of determination, that's why the name. All right, then biochemical oxygen demand, simply BOD, it is shortened as BOD. It is carried out for, the first option is saying determining the quantity of oxygen required for biological stabilization of organic matter. Yes, we can only provide the required quantity of oxygen in secondary treatment, that is biological treatment, to the various treatment units only after knowing the BOD of that wastewater. Then determining strength of sewage, obviously more the value of BOD reported, more will be the strength of sewage. Okay, then assessing the treatment efficiency of various treatment units. Now see how we are going to assess or analyze the efficiency of various treatment units. We do one simple thing. When the wastewater is entering a specific treatment unit, and when the wastewater is being received at the outlet of that treatment unit, we collect the sample at both inlet as well as outlet, and from that we run the BOD test, and the before value and the after value is used to determine the percentage efficiency or percentage treatment efficiency of that specific unit. Okay, this is how BOD is useful for determination of quantity of oxygen required, then strength of sewage, and also to judge the efficiency of various treatment units which are present at sewage treatment plant or STP. All of the above is the option we should go with. Then generally BOD of a wastewater sample is expressed for fill in the blank days and fill in the blank degree Celsius temperature. See, the answer is 5 days and 20 degrees Celsius. Option C is the one. Okay, 5 day and 20 degrees Celsius. That's why it is written something like this: BOD 5 at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, now the reason behind this. It was initially proposed by the Royal Commission of Sewage Disposal, England, because the rivers in England and the villages situated on those rivers were almost 5 days away from one point to other point, and the normal temperature of the river used to be 18 to 19 degrees Celsius. That's why the standard which was adopted initially was 5 days 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the reason behind this 5 day 20 degrees Celsius BOD. In first stage BOD and second stage BOD, organic matter that is oxidized is fill in the blank and fill in the blank. See, first stage BOD is known as carbonaceous BOD. Second stage BOD is called as nitrogenous BOD. Remember, first stage carbonaceous, second nitrogenous. Option B is the one we should go with. Then, okay, ratio of 5 day BOD to ultimate BOD. Okay, BOD 5 to UBOD. UBOD means ultimate BOD. It is 2/3. Remember, it is approximately almost roughly 2/3. For example, if you have been given with a value that UBOD is how much? 300. How you are going to estimate this? You will remember the fraction that BOD 5 divided by UBOD is 2/3, and since UBOD is 300, how much BOD 5 should be? BOD 5 should be 200 mg per liter. Alright, so these were some chemical parameters or chemical properties of wastewater. If you like the video, please press thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, and for PDF of the same questionnaire we just had, go to Telegram, do look for Simplified Learning, and then go to file section where you will find PDF of this video as well as previous ones. Also, do subscribe Simplified Learning Hindi channel if you are a Hindi viewer, and Telegram channel as I just said, and also go to Instagram where I post daily quiz in the story section, and also on the Instagram I do upload memes. So find all these links in the description. Till then, take care, bye bye.